It's Eye of Odin News.
Hey, that man just smacked my hand and my phone right out of my hand. That's assault. He don't get to smack my phone out of my hand.
Right, which is...
He's mad because I was recording. That's not my problem. You're in public. You don't get to walk up to me and smack my... This is like almost $2,000.
Okay.
That's assault.
Right.
I want that man arrested.
Okay, what is... Are you the record driver?
No, I was just standing right there. I was looking. I'm a watcher. I'm just watching. But you don't get to come up and assault me.
Okay, what do you mean?
We're in public. I'm on the public easement. You don't get out of your car and come over and smack my hand. I have it on my body camera and I have it on here.
Okay.
I mean, I got multiple witnesses on here because this is a live feed. I want that man arrested. I want to press charges on him. I'm sorry he was in an accident. I'm sorry he did it in the road. But you don't get to assault me. I'm going to stand back over there when you get a moment. If you could just meet me over there whenever you get a chance. I know you're busy. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
But like I said, that man just smacked $2,000 out of my hand.
Okay. Yeah.
I don't play that game.
All right. Okay. Yeah, I'll be over. I'll get things caught up and be over. Okay.
205. I have the number for a traffic stop at 50 and Mommy. Clear Johnson there. Central. 638. Contact with that subject. She's waiting for a ride to her residence. Dial-a-ride is here on scene. However, they're unwilling to give her a ride. Supposedly she was a no-show earlier today, and their policy is to not provide transportation to no-shows. Okay, clear now. There was a citizen that advised that they would give her a ride. Stand by, make sure that occurs. Okay, clear now.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
They're going to fight.
Central 11-6, send me another unit. Have them step it up.
11-6, for what?
Got an assault in progress. Have another unit step it up.
638.
Hey,
Multiple times.
A crazy incident's happening. He's got his phone out recording.
I don't give a
This
fuck.
is not fair. This is not fair,
it's
man.
My right. It's my
Okay.
I didn't expect none of this to happen,
Okay.
and this fucking
Hold
guy's
up.
just recording this for
okay,
views.
just hold up.
This is what we've come to in the United States of America.
It's my First
You're
Amendment
scum.
right.
You're
Hey.
scum.
Okay.
Fuck that.
Do me a
This is
favor.
morality.
Do me a favor. He's not gonna.
Oh, I will murder.
He's not gonna calm down.
No,
Go ahead.
this sucks.
Listen.
This is what we've come to, man, and this
Okay.
is sad.
All right. Listen.
That's humanity.
Hey. Listen.
Instead of
Step up.
seeing if
Step
we're
up.
all okay,
Okay.
he wants to just view me.
Okay.
This is sad.
Okay. All right.
This is real life, man. This is sad.
All right. Okay.
I didn't expect none of this to happen, man. And this guy just got his phone all in my face. Where's the authority here? But if
Right.
I go and I respect my persona and everything around me, I get in trouble. Tell him to put his phone down.
Right.
I want you arrested.
Now you want me arrested. See me in a cage
I'll
like
make a decision.
male. You couldn't deal with
Listen,
me.
I'll make the decision,
I'll
okay?
make traffic
Why
with
don't you
you,
go
man.
ahead and leave the area for right now till we get things calmed down. Go ahead and leave the area till we get
Is that a
things calmed
lawful
down.
order?
Yes.
Is it lawful,
You're
or are
obstructing
you
right now.
requesting?
You're obstructing.
Right now, you're being detained. You're being detained for obstruction.
I asked you.
Resisting and obstructing. You're being detained.
I'm right here.
You're not under arrest. You're just being detained.
All right, well,
So you're not listening to instruction. You're not listening to requests.
why are you getting so mad?
I'm not being mad.
And please
We're
don't
just-
turn off my phone.
we're
Can I have
just-
my phone?
We're just trying to resolve the situation at this point in time and make sure that we know what's going on.
On my phone.
I'm sorry. I'm fine. I'm sorry. It's just a long day, man. I didn't expect any of this.
You're fine.
You're cool.
I'm very
All right.
cool.
All
I
right.
don't
All
mean
right.
no harm.
All right.
When you got people that are arguing with the police, they need to be detained and they need to be put aside for the moment.
Okay. So we got some. Did they call for? Did they call for a record yet? Central 11-6.
11-6.
Did you have a posing route yet?
Negative, we'll get him out.
All right. Thank you.
Did you advise what type of vehicle?
I've got a Mustang with the right rear tire down, and then I've got a Nissan. All the tires are up.
So you want 2 for Bolton?
2 for post.
Yeah,
Tell me firm.
affirmative.
So is he one of the people being assaulted or assaulting?
Yeah, well, he's saying that I don't know what happened, but he's saying he was over here taking pictures and stuff like that, and all of a sudden he got close up on him, and I guess he slapped the phone out of his hands and told him, what are you doing?
Right.
So,
I didn't mean to be in that. I'm sorry. I mean no harm. I'm very
Okay.
so, let me-
people are hurt,
do you have any ID?
Central 335, 335.
Do you have any ID?
Am I being charged with a crime?
Do you have any ID? Do you want to file a complaint? I need your ID.
Am I being charged with a crime?
I don't know yet.
You're being.
You gonna cooperate? You're just being detained right now.
You're being detained.
You're just being-
I'll file my report once you guys figure out, once I get out of these cuffs.
You're not going to be arrested for anything.
Okay, well,
But
why
you-
am I in cuffs?
Because you refuse to do what I asked you to do. I'm trying to calm things down, and you refuse to
Were
cooperate.
your orders lawful?
Yep.
Was I standing on a public area?
It doesn't matter.
Yes, it does.
You're not going to
in the middle.
cooperate.
You're in the middle of a police scene. Okay. So
Let me
you're.
know when you're going to let me out.
God, you know him?
No.
Jeez.
I mean, this is an active police scene, so he doesn't need to be in it. So,
No.
I mean, if you want to do it disorderly, I mean, you've got it.
Yeah.
So, I mean, because he's in the middle of a police scene and he's not following your orders to move on.
Right.
So, I mean, if he wanted to be over on Meyer, if he wanted to be over on Aldi and recording, let him have it.
Yeah.
So,
Okay. Let me tell you what. Do you have a vehicle here? Do you have a vehicle?
Am I still being detained?
Yes, you are.
Okay.
Do you have a vehicle? We want to take you
I'm going to
somewhere.
go ahead and plead the fifth
Okay.
until you let me know what I've done.
Well, you won't cooperate, so
What do you mean?
you're not cooperating.
Well,
I'll tell you what. Why don't we go? I'll meet you down at jail. Why don't we go ahead and lodge him on disorderly?
Okay.
And so.
Okay.
Okay, this officer's gonna take you somewhere. Okay, you're under arrest for disorderly conduct. Okay, and he's gonna take you down to jail, and I'll meet you down there and talk to you down there. Okay.
All right. Well, hey.
We get him some notice.
Well,
Okay.
since now that you guys.
The phone's going to be put to the jail property. You get when you either find yourself out or.
Yeah. How long was it?
However long
Hey, can I get your name?
they'll take you down at the gate when you get down there.
Can I get your
Thanks a lot.
Yep. You got his phone?
I'll put it on your seat.
Okay, thank you.
Yep.
That's all you need for right now?
Yeah, I'll get his information down to the jail.
Okay.
He didn't want to cooperate. He goes to jail.